The following is a transmission from the Cyclop Council of Enlightened Beings. It's brought through Oribel Joy Divine. Please enjoy.
Greetings, dear humans of Earth. The time has come for humanity to decide which path it will follow. Will it remain on the path that divides nations, societies, religions, and races, judging one another by the color of their skin? Or will humanity take the path less traveled, discovering new territories of vast possibility and forging partnerships that bring greater abundance to the people of every nation? It is time to create new systems through joint exploration. Make learning to live and work together a priority. You may not always share the same values. However, you can learn to understand why certain nations make the choices they do in their policies. Ask yourselves whether those policies foster unity and respect for the freedom of choice of others. Unity and the freedom to choose are good benchmarks when selecting partners with whom you plan to collaborate. The matching frequency of nations will allow for joint ventures and collaboration. Being flexible without compromising your own values is important in staying true to yourself and to your long-term vision of creating harmony and living as one humanity. This is the greatest hurdle for the people of Earth at this time of planetary evolution. The same applies to individuals who are seeking collaboration with others. When several different ideas come together, you will learn to appreciate the value that each person contributes. Make unity and the freedom to choose your goal in creating new systems for fifth-dimensional living, and everything else will fall into place. Allow yourselves the flexibility to fine-tune these new systems. The freedom to choose allows sovereignty to thrive. A sovereign being with unity consciousness can create new structures that serve both the individual and the collective. You are entering new territories where you are given the opportunity to explore infinite possibilities. You will be surprised at how creative and ingenious you can be. Walk your path with excitement and creativity, and be ready to explore the many areas you once dismissed because your consciousness was not ready then. We wish for humanity clear sight and a willingness to listen to the wisdom of your heart. Both will support you well on your path to creating the new for your planet. We leave you now. Adonai.